India and Bangladesh signed key bilateral agreements during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Dhaka visit. The leadership of the two countries underwent a series of deliberations to cement ties. A report.
Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi took efforts to boost ties with Bangladesh to the next level during his visit to the neighbouring country over the weekend. During his two-day trip to Dhaka, Prime Minister Modi and his Bangladeshi counterpart Sheikh Hasina signed key agreements strengthening bond between the two sides. The highlight of his visit, however, remained the signing of Land Boundary Pact, which had been a dominating issue between the two countries for 4 decades. The agreement clarifies the identities of 52,000 people living in the enclaves, simplifying the nearly 2,500-mile-long border. Prime Minister Modi also assured Bangladesh that his government, along with the support of states, would reach to a solution on the contentious issues concerning Teesta River that runs through both nations.
पानी ये राजनीतिक मुद्दा नहीं हो सकता है, पानी ये मानवता के आधार पर होता है, मानवीय मूल्यों के आधार पर होता है और उसको मानवीय मूल्यों के आधार पर समस्या का समाधान करने का प्रयास हम मिलकर के करेंगे, मुझे विश्वास है और रास्ते निकलेंगे, मैं विश्वास दिलाता हूं.
The neighbors also sought to bolster camaraderie in the economic front, with India announcing a $2 billion credit line for Bangladesh. India also agreed to set up a special economic zone in Bangladesh to address trade imbalance.
भारत और बांग्लादेश में ट्रेड डेफिसिट का जो फासला है उसको कम करने में बहुत बड़ी ताकत बन जाएगा. हम नहीं चाहते हैं कि बांग्लादेश हिंदुस्तान से तो माल लेता रहे और बांग्लादेश से कम सामान हिंदुस्तान आए, नहीं, हम बराबरी चाहते हैं.
India and Bangladesh have also agreed to establish power transmission link as New Delhi considered proposal to allow export of additional power to Dhaka. Prime Minister Modi during his visit met opposition leader Begum Khalida Zia apart from top business heads to strengthen economic links between the two nations. The country heads of both sides flagged off the bus service between two Indian cities of Kolkata and Agartala via Dhaka in the presence of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Modi also received an award of Liberation War Honour on behalf of former Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee during his Bangladesh trip.